Hi, this is Katie from the Career Services Office. I'm going to show you how to upload your resume to Handshake, which is BSU's platform for internships, full-time jobs, and employer events and programs on and off campus. To start, you'll want to log into Handshake by clicking this blue button here and using your BSU email and password to log on. Once logged in, you'll just navigate to the top right and you'll be able to see all of your different options and settings. You'll click on the one that says Documents, and this is where you'll see anything that's currently in the system. Any resumes, cover letters, transcripts, or other documents that you might be using for your internship or job search. To upload a new resume, you'll click on the blue button that says Add New Document. You'll want to make sure to label the document for whatever it is, and then find the file on your computer. Click the file, click Open, and then click Add Document. It might take a second for Handshake to convert your document, but once it's all set, you'll be able to see what it looks like in the system. You'll want to take a quick look just to make sure that the formatting and everything looks good with spacing. And if it does, you're pretty much all set. You can also feature that resume on your profile for employers to see, or delete the document if you need to make any changes or edit it. To access the list of all of the resumes, go back to Documents, and you'll see that your new document has been added. Over here on the right, you'll want to make sure you check the status, because every time a student uploads a resume to Handshake, the Career Services Office will review it. If it says reviewed in green, that means that it's been approved. If it says pending, that means that it's still in the queue. And if a counselor believes that your resume needs any critiques or edits, we will send you a message inside of Handshake encouraging you to make an appointment with our office. In order to do so, all you need to do is give us a call at 508-531-1328, and you'll be able to have a one-on-one appointment with one of our career counselors to go over your resume. Thanks, and hope this was helpful.